Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today I'm just doing a part of my smart home upgrades here. So I have the Wi-Fi smart plug here by SmartThings. I want to go and unbox this and just set up and things like that. So let's just get into it. Quick intro, I know, but let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we are back at the legendary unboxing table, as you can see here. So like I said, today we're gonna go and unbox the SmartThings Wi-Fi smart plug. So I already got like multiple of these, and I can already tell y'all what it's like. It's pretty nice, I can't front. But this is just gonna be a simple unboxing. I'm gonna go and set it up for y'all and everything, so let's just go and check this out. So the box is pretty simple. If you wanna go and pick this up though, it's gonna run you 20 bucks, I believe. Right now at Best Buy, it's 18 bucks. So if you wanna go and buy one, I'll leave a link in the description to Samsung.com, which you can actually use my referral link so I can go ahead and get something back, and you save some money yourself, so go and check that out. But anyways, we got SmartThings Wi-Fi smart plug, plug in and control with ease, designed for Samsung. I mean, I kind of hope so because Samsung owns SmartThings.
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
But anyways, compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant and also Bixby, but they don't talk about that. I mean, does anybody? It works with SmartThings. Again, I mean, we kind of hope so. On the left, we just have some info here about my unit. On the right, we just have app or voice control, compact design, and set schedule and scenes. And yeah, I mean, really, let's just go ahead and go ahead and unbox this. Cut that tape there, and then we're done. All right, so here we go. We got our user manual. What do we do with that? We throw it to the side, as always. And then we just got our American outlet, as you can see here. So looking at the left side, we just got a power button. On the right side, we don't got nothing. At the top, we got a logo. At the bottom, we don't got nothing. And at the back, we have our QR code. Looking more in the box, well, yeah, there's nothing else in there. All right, cool. And now I'm gonna show y'all just how easy this is to hook up. So you can do this whether you have an Android phone or iPhone. And for the 2 Windows Phone users left out there, I mean, nobody really cares. But yeah, anyways, so before we do that though, we're gonna go to the SmartThings app here. So you can download it on the App Store, or if you have a Galaxy already, it's gonna be pre-installed, or if you have a Pixel or something, you can find it on the Play Store. So now let's go to SmartThings here in the Samsung folder, and let's go and tap on the plus button. Let's tap on device, and let's go and just hit the scan QR code button. So we're gonna go and scan the QR code here on the back of our outlet. So now I'm putting the phone over the QR code, and as you can see, that was pretty quick. So now all we gotta do is hit start, and let's go and hit one of these rooms here. So let's go and hit my kitchen, why not? I don't know where this thing's gonna go, but let's go and plug this thing in now. So plugging that in, we should find a green light here just blinking slowly on the front. So there you go, as you can see, it's right there. That's what I'm looking for. So now let's go and wait for this phone to pick it up. So it's just gonna take a little bit here, and as you can see, now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi smart plug. And there you go. So now it's asking for my Wi-Fi. So since I have a Galaxy, it's pretty easy. All I gotta do is just tap my Wi-Fi name, and now I don't gotta enter any passwords. So there you go, it's that simple. And now it's just registering it to my Samsung account.
A few moments later.
All right, that only took a few seconds. So now we're done. If you want to go and rename it, you can, but I'm gonna just go ahead and leave that alone. So let's go and hit done, and there we go, Wi-Fi smart plug. Now as you can see here, I can go and turn it on and off. I can go and hit the timer, power on, power off, and go and set a schedule with that. I can also go in here and see my energy consumption. For some reason I can't right now, but I can also see my power meter, and there you go, there's the history also. If we go and tap on these lines here, you can also see a graph of the power consumption and all that stuff, as you can see there. And with the power meter, it's the same thing. All right, y'all, so I just plugged in my studio light. So if I go and tap on this on button right here, as you can see, it just turned on the lights like that. It was that easy. Now if I go and put this up to the microphone, you can actually hear it turning on and off, as you can see there. And also it's pretty quick, so it's just like no hesitation or anything. I like that too. But if I go and leave that on there for a second, it's going to give me the energy consumption and the power meter of these lights. So at this point you can pretty much just do whatever you want to do, and I also got a firmware update here, as you can see. But I mean, cool, I guess. So for example, if I want to go and set up an automation like I do in my living room, as you can see here, I'll go over here to my outlet. So living room TV turns on LED strip. So as you'll see here, when I turn on my TV, it's going to bring up the power meter. So when the power meter goes up, that's when it's gonna go and turn on the LED strip, and then when it goes down, that's when it turns off the LED strip. And then as you can see here, here's the history if I want to go through that. Now let's go and turn this off of Bixby. Turn off the kitchen outlet, and there you go, that easy. Turn on the kitchen outlet. Pretty easy, and it's quick. That's nice. So y'all, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just want to go and show y'all that real quick and just show you how the outlet works, and you know, the unboxing and all that stuff. Obviously that's how these videos work. But let me go and get out of here, y'all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really like it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at EddieSantech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. But now that's where I leave. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and peace out. Latrell, calm down with all that energy. You really don't need to do all that.